say nothing lasts forever, but they ain't seen us together, or the way the moonlight dances in your eyes. And I know there'll be that moment the good Lord calls one of us home, and one won't have the other by their side. But heaven knows that that won't last too long. Maybe some things last forever after all.
Welcome back to our channel. So we are in a rush right now. I was supposed to start tutoring like 2 minutes ago, but we had to run the store and get stuff for dinner.
Yeah.
And
She's picky. She don't like soup.
yeah.
I don't know how anyone
So
can not like soup.
we're speed walking home. He just pulled my hair out of a bun. Nice job. I'm gonna run home, start tutoring, and then we're gonna make food, and we're just gonna take you along with us for the rest of the night. So yeah, we'll see. I'll see you after tutoring. I don't know if we'll pick up the phone before then. So
Maybe
yeah.
I'll just record on my phone and send her the clips. Alright, she's back from tutoring. This is all we got from the store.
So today we have.
What we got? Hold on. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna flip the phone around so I have to end this clip, but yeah, you know. We got babes.
So we have corn.
Yeah.
We have some.
I don't know
Apparently, we picked up some low
Does,
sodium
are
and
we
some
gonna-
low salt added.
Are we gonna get demonetized for showing like brands of stuff?
I don't think so.
I hope not.
We have some Purdue chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then we got some carrots, and we got some Spanish rice.
Spanish rice.
Yeah.
So pretty much we're gonna mix this all together and make something that hopefully tastes good.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Just remember, this is a day in the life vlog. This is what we normally do.
At night, we started late, but
Yeah. It's alright. It's all good. Yeah. So we'll get back to you.
So let's start this.
So we got everything on the stove.
Alright, so here's the chicken, it's cut up in pieces. Here's the rice. Here's the corn. Here's the carrots all cooking. I almost cut myself with a knife, but I didn't. It's okay. I just like poked myself and it kind of scared me, but my hands are intact.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's not watching what she was doing. Yeah.
It's cooking. Mix it in.
Oh. Goodness. I mix the rice in. Look at that. Boom. And then the corn.
Oh, good job. Now you gotta rinse that for you.
I don't know. The corn. Look at that corn. Carrots all over there. You don't really need to mix the carrots.
Kind of do.
No, not really. I'm gonna rinse that. But yeah. I'll check in with you guys in a little bit.
Okay, so still cooking. We brought the laptop in here so we can watch our show. But the chicken and the corn is done, so we mix that together. The rice is getting close, and the carrots are getting there too. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a little update. I will get back to you once everything's done.
Yeah. Alright, so we just got done eating.
Okay.
And we just cleaned. Everything's good. Dishes are done.
I even chocolate.
Now we're just relaxing right now till she has to go home.
I'm probably gonna film another video tonight.
If not tonight, then we'll film 2 tomorrow. Because that was our plan, was to film 3 today, but we only got to 1 today.
Well,
We'll be with each other until like 11 tomorrow. So.
Yeah, but this video pretty much end here. So all I'm gonna do is sit down and watch a show. Maybe film a video or 2. Maybe not.
We don't know. But anyway, thanks for watching.
Hope you enjoyed.
Like, comment, subscribe for more. And we are out of here.